Things you can do to make a guy's heart melt immediately. Do you want to be the cute girl who makes him weak in the knees when he sees you? The girl who has the ability to turn any guy into a puddle simply by gazing at them? Here are 10 things women do that truly warm men's hearts. Although your guy may not show it outwardly, you can be certain that a huge meltdown is taking on within them. 1. Keep your voice low. Don't yell at him, and don't even talk in a loud voice. Speak gently and in a low tone to him and smile when you say something. 2. Learn to blush. Women despise blushing. It's a frequent misperception that when you blush, you feel humiliated or ashamed and that people will mock you. It certainly isn't the case for males looking for a feminine, innocent lady. When you blush, you expose your sensitive, delicate side, which can help you meet the perfect guy. 3. You can be shy. Another common misunderstanding about women is shyness. They are hesitant to express their more timid side because they believe that men like women who are bold, brave, and social. Sometimes it's completely the opposite. If you're a little shy and reticent, it makes it more difficult for a guy to win your heart. And as you surely know, guys are like hunters who enjoy a good challenge. 4. Sound cute. When you encounter your crush again, don't act like you're a serious woman who is too mature to flirt or laugh about anything. Simply be yourself and make an effort to sound nice and relaxed. Again, being an innocent, subtle lady can be really beneficial. After all, he doesn't want a lady who sounds manly and serious. He wants a real woman who can laugh and flirt. 5. Prepare his favorite dish for him. Food is simply one of many ways to convey your love, and cooking him his favorite meal practically screams, "I love you." Men appreciate it when their women cook for them. It is not required of them, but many women do it anyway to show how much they care. It doesn't matter if you're not a top cook. Even if it's something as simple as a sandwich, your guy will melt when he sees you going his way with a platter of delicious food. 6. Wanting to get together, even if only for a few minutes. Nothing warms his heart more than knowing that you want to meet up, hug, and enjoy his company, even if it's only for a few minutes. That's how much you appreciate having him at your side. 7. Call him by his pet name. People frequently develop feelings of fondness towards someone they care about. It might be as basic as sweetie and honey, or it can be a personalized name created by both of you. You can completely melt your partner's heart by simply addressing him by his nickname. He may not confess it, but he enjoys it. You see, by addressing him by his given name, you are identifying him as his special person to you. He is the only one who can be addressed by that name, and such exclusivity will make anyone feel adored. 8. Sob into his chest. Girls are emotional, but they also put up a hard front. He'll be half touched and half angry if you open crying on his shirt and he stands there like an idiot. He is angry at those who made you cry, but he is touched that you trust him enough to allow him to see you in such a vulnerable state. 9. Be his number one fan. Make yourself his number one fan. Nothing breaks a guy's heart more than witnessing his only girl applauding for him and yelling her support from the sidelines. Be his number one cheerleader if you want to make your partner feel tremendously appreciated. It is critical to have someone on your side at all times. Behind every successful guy stands a woman, as the adage goes. Be there for your partner during his highs and lows. 10. Make small notes for him. If you want to go the additional mile, write him brief and charming words and hide them among his belongings so he will come across them by surprise. You can put it inside his coat pocket, in his lunch, or even in his car, and the first thing he will read when he wakes up is a really sweet message from his girlfriend. A little goes a long way, and even the smallest gestures can stir a man's heart. 11. Even after saying bye a few times, hang up on the phone. Nothing says "I love you" more than saying bye while still holding the phone in case he has anything else to say to you before you go to bed. Guys may pretend it irritates them, but they secretly enjoy it. 12. Give him lots of long hugs. It is essential to constantly give your partner big hugs at the end of a long day. Even if they present a strong appearance, every man is a gentle soul on the inside who requires someone caring and trusting to embrace them in a big and deep hug. These embraces are not only for tired days but also for cheerful days or any day at all. The essential factor of these embraces is that you can express your affection without saying anything. Any man's heart will melt if he receives a romantic hug from his lady. 13. Don't dominate the conversation. If you are normally overconfident and have a leader's personality, you may be inclined to dominate conversations. This is not what guys want. Obviously, they want to treat girls fairly and equally. But if you can't let him say anything and you talk largely about yourself, without caring what he thinks, don't expect this to warm his heart. It can only annoy him. 14. Tell him to look at the gorgeous girl walking down the street. I realize this appears to be contradictory, yet couples that are highly secure in their relationship do it. If you do that, it implies you have faith in him unconditionally. Doesn't that make his heart melt? 15. Always have his back. Always having his back entails not only being his #1 cheerleader, but also being there for him in all aspects of his life. During his crises, waiting in line with him for an interview he wants to attend to, and being with him on those difficult days when his grandmother died, are all ways to make him feel loved and appreciated. Love is going through a difficult moment, and when he sees that you are there for him every step of the way, it will not only melt his heart, but he may even cry a tear or two. Never overlook the importance of teamwork in a relationship. 16. Make him a personalized gift. It doesn't have to be extravagant because the cost of a present isn't everything. The fact that you put something together with your own hands adds sentimental worth. It could be a knitted scarf, a handmade birthday card, or a painting you created. When he receives a personalized gift from you, he will undoubtedly melt like ice cream on a hot day. Keep in mind that it doesn't matter what it is, because the thought is always what matters. 17. Shower him with compliments. Extend your compliments to him. Men too enjoy receiving compliments, especially the random ones you speak to from time to time. A caring woman understands that one of the numerous ways she can assist her partner to grow is to lavish him with compliments. Simple compliments such as, "You are a very good cook," or "I enjoy the way you look tonight," mean a lot to every partner. Sweet and loving praises are like Cupid's arrows, and when you shoot them, your partner will always smile and turn red in the face. 18. Try to make him happy. Isn't it incredible to know that there is someone who is only pleased you are happy? Even if you fail, your efforts to cheer him up will at the very least cause him to smile. 19. Spend time with him and his family. Your partner will certainly enjoy it if you show your affection not only to him but also to his family members. When you find a partner, you become a part of not only his life, but also his family's. Respect and admiration should be shown to the individuals who nurtured your partner and helped shape him into the man he is now. Although some family members can be tough to be with, you need never be concerned, since even the effort of spending time with them will make your partner go woo, even if he doesn't say it out. 20. Be quietly mischievous. Pull his leg, tangle his hair, or make a hot joke at his expense. Then the loud laugh. Continue flirting with him. Men are sometimes taken aback by mischievous, amusing ladies, but they will never forget them due to their actions. As a result, it's a plus and a significant benefit worth trying, as uninteresting, insecure girls may appear too lame for guys to maintain a relationship with.